Hello, Terrace Park Bulldogs. Yeah, you know what that is. That is a homemade airplane, okay? So I made 3 airplanes, okay? Added papers, very simple. And I made a game out of it. I put down 2 jump ropes and made a circle at each end. What I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to throw a paper airplane, luckily, hopefully all 3 of them inside that hoop down there, okay? For each time I get in the hoop, I get a point, okay? So if you're playing against somebody, they can also have 3 airplanes, you can have 3 airplanes, and you just go down and back until somebody gets to 10. Okay, first one to 10 wins the game. Okay? Oh, you missed! Yes! Oh. Okay, the next game you can play is flip your flip-flops. Use the circles. You can use a box, you can use a laundry basket, you can use the point system just like we used. If you get one in, you get a point. See if I can do a better job of doing this. Oh, bounced out. Oh yeah, that's it. Oh yes. 3 points. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Oh man, almost. Okay, that's it. Have fun with it. We'll see you soon.